Dogecoin started as a joke, but now it's worth billions of dollars and multiple millionaires are created by meme coins. So is it a gamble or is it something worth to invest? In this video, I want to talk about how you can invest into the meme coin space as a complete beginner. So we will start step by step what is meme coins, but also how you can buy your favorite ones, also the ones that are not available on centralized exchanges, and also I will explain you the pros and cons of meme coin categories, because not all meme coins are worth as a beginner. And beside learning you how to buy your favorite meme coins step by step, I also want to show you one more thing, one hidden secret, how to track wallets that are buying meme coins and how you can track them and find inspirational projects based on what they are doing. It's all public, and I will show you in this video also as an extra bonus how you can track those wallets and how you find them also. Let me know in the comments if you are a meme coiner or somebody else like a utility guy who loves more utility projects. But probably if you're watching here right now, you love meme coins or you want to love meme coins. So let's start. Most meme coins start as a joke, and then out of nowhere, when people feel recognized with the project, the name, the visuals and stuff like that, they join the community, which results in a meme coin with a stable foundation. And one of these examples is Fartcoin, and Fartcoin, as you can see, is currently worth $862 million. And if you look at the chart of Fartcoin, once it was super low, nobody was interested in it. But if you hear the name Fartcoin, guess what will happen? You think like, hey, I'm farting, so let me check it out. Let's have some fun. Let's check out the website of Fartcoin. This is the website of Fartcoin, and it doesn't make sense, right? This is so weird, and then you're thinking like, what am I joining? And then you're like, hey, launch ideas, and then you have more fart, something else. I cannot read it, but the meme coin space doesn't make sense. If you think it's logic, then you need to leave the space of meme coins because it makes no sense. And this project is worth multi-million dollars. And if we take a look at the X of Fartcoin as an example, tokenizing farts with the help of bots. Fartcoin developer or find it and we adopt Fartcoin, no Telegram, no Cabal, fart freely. And then you see like it's community takeover, it's community driven. There's no founder or centralized guy who is running the project, only a strong community. And that makes meme coins mostly very strong. Of course, meme coins also have founders because they have a full team, a dedicated team of contributors who are helping the project, and that leads to something unique. And I want to talk about something else. Like, what are meme coins mostly doing is they are posting up funny things, and I hope to see some farts, but they have a lot of tweets. One more example of a meme coin that is more of a character meme coin is Mock, and Mock is very memeable. It is currently worth $150 million. And if you take a look at that Twitter to give you an idea of what is Mock, it is a funny cat with these glasses on. So what these guys are doing is they put the glasses on every character. It can be Trump, it can be anybody in the space. And they said, you are mocked. And this creates some kind of an hype. This creates some kind of something unique. And as you can see, people love it. Like 14K viewers. They buy chains, put it on their necklace as a mock because they love the community. Everything is like with the glasses, the cat, a whole car here. What else do we have? And I remember these guys are putting like the glasses on everybody, like I said before. And that is something like what's generating some kind of a connection with the people. So you have two types of meme coins. One is something unique, something like very, very memeable, like Fartcoin, or you have a meme coin with a character like Mock, Brad, Dodge, and stuff like that. And one more thing that is important to know, the first meme coin that was created was Dogecoin, currently worth more than $23 billion. It is insane. I remember the days of 2017 when I invested myself into this project in 2017, 2018. It was worth like less than 1 cent, and later on it was worth 60 cents or more. And I had a lot of these Dogecoin, like as you can see, 2017 0002, and then it's like more than 1000x. It is more than 1000x was made for some people, but everybody sold because they didn't saw the opportunity of meme coins. Nobody saw it there, even myself. But right now meme coins are here. So the next step is how to buy them, because you have two options for that. Some of them are available on exchanges. This can be Maxi, this can be Bybit, this can be Binance or something else. but mostly these projects are higher market cap projects. This means they have already a bigger community, the market cap is higher, the price is already higher, which results in they are tradable on exchanges. In case you are watching and you think like, hey, I want to buy meme coins, but not on exchanges. I want to do it on chain. You see a link inside the description that guides you to Bulex Neo. And this platform is super advanced to buy any project on chain on the Solana network. And in case you want to buy it on BNB, on ETH, then you need to create a MetaMask. But in this video, I will highlight Bulex Neo for Solana meme coins. If you want to buy BNB or ETH or any other chain, you can download MetaMask. I will not handle it in this video, but let me know if you want to know more about that so I can make a video for you how you can buy that. And this is the Bulex Neo platform. And maybe you're thinking like, what the hell is this? So this is an overview. You have fun. And as a beginner, I don't suggest you to use this section because we are buying just normal projects, but here you can see new created meme coins. Every day new meme coins are created, and about to graduate means they're almost ready for the bonding curve. We will not handle that in this video, and graduated means they will be launching on the Solana network. But as you see, many meme coins, I think thousands of meme coins are launched on Solana network daily, and multiple of them are launching on Solana, on the chain itself, and maybe they grow to 100 million or even higher as a market cap, which results in a lot of profits. And why I'm using this platform is for several reasons, not for this. It is way more. So you can see this is the wallet manager. Here you can put Solana on your wallet. Click on the link inside the description. Sign up, set up a wallet, and then you will see steps to set up your wallet, which you send Solana from an exchange. Maybe you're using Maxi, maybe you're using Binance or any other exchange. Deposit Solana or buy Solana there, transfer it to Bulex Neo, and now you can start using Bulex Neo. And what I like about this platform is I can track smart money wallets. We can go to any coin on Bulex Neo and we can see, hey, this project is a $30 million market cap. It's called Baron. When we go to the holders and we can see the amount of holders, we can see how many Solana they're holding themselves. And what we want to do is we want to go as an example, just to show you what the platform can do. We can go to downstairs and we want to find a wallet with a nice amount of SOL. 33 SOL, not that much, but let we can see. This guy have a 30-day win rate of 90%. He have a daily profit and loss of more than $368,000. And what I can do is I can go to this guy or any other guy I found on this platform, and I can see total spent $4 million, unrealized profit 2.4K. And all-time profits is for him 350K. I can see the projects that he is buying. Maybe I want to have some inspiration, and I can do is I can click on here tag wallet, and I can write good wallet 2, click on alert, and from now onwards I get a notification when this wallet is buying. So I can add as many wallets as I want into this platform and check, hey, maybe I like this project, Trap It. I go to it and I check it out like, hey, this is the project, it looks dead, I don't want to buy it. But this is just for inspiration. You can check it out, follow smart traders into this platform. And if you want to buy, you have Solana on your dashboard. You can just see on the right side, buy and sell. And if you want to buy, you click on market order, click how much you want to buy, and that's it. Then you have the tokens into this dashboard. And if you want to sell, you can do the same. If you want to do limit orders like this, you want to sell when the price is maybe 50% up, you can just move this bar inside your screen, and that's it. Super simple. Bulex Neo if you want to buy meme coins on chain on the Solana network. Otherwise, download MetaMask and buy it from there. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, click the like and subscribe button, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.